What do we show loyalty to when we say the Pledge of Allegiance? There were 13 original states. Name 3. Why does the flag have 13 stripes? Why does the flag have 50 stars? What is the name of the national anthem? Every day, children start the school day by saying the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. People say the Pledge of Allegiance to show loyalty to the United States of America and the flag. The flag of the United States has 13 stripes to represent the original 13 colonies. The original 13 colonies that are now states are Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, Virginia, Maryland, Delaware, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, New York, Connecticut, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, and New Hampshire. The original flag had 13 stars and 13 stripes to represent the original 13 colonies. Now, the United States of America has 50 states. The flag has 50 stars to represent each state. The Star-Spangled Banner is the national anthem for the United States of America. It is the song that represents the United States and expresses pride and unity for the country. Click the link above to hear the national anthem. We show loyalty to the country of the United States of America and its flag when we say the Pledge of Allegiance. The flag has 13 stripes to represent the original 13 colonies. 3 of those states are Virginia, New York, and Massachusetts. There are 50 states in the United States of America. There are 50 stars on the flag to represent each state. The Star-Spangled Banner is the national anthem of the United States of America.